Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com. You can find the link to the website in the description below. The global marine shipping industry has done well in 2024, thanks in large part to transit restriction in Panama Canal and ongoing challenges in the Red Sea. Liquefied petroleum gas, or LPG carriers, have done exceptionally well, including BW LPG Ltd, traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol BWLP. Spot prices for LPG have been robust on strong U.S. LPG export growth. The U.S. Energy reported that year-to-date average net propane export from U.S. have increased by 14% year over year. By the end of May, spot prices reached a high of $60,000 per day. The futures market points to a continued strength in spot earnings, trading in the lows to mid $60,000 per day for the remainder of 2024. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Yeah, everything you just highlighted, that's all like good news on every front for BW LPG Ltd. Additionally, most people haven't heard of BW LPG before. That's only because it began trading on the New York Stock Exchange recently on April 29th, 2024. But it's been listed on the Oslo Stock Exchange since 2013. So it has a long trading history, just not here in the US. Now, a little quick recap on the company. BW LPG is world leader in LPG shipping with an operating fleet of 44 very large gas carriers, or VLGCs, the total carrying capacity of over 3 million cubic meters of chargeable weight. Now, 1 cubic meter equals 368 pounds or 167 kilograms. So 3 cubic meters then is equal to, I think, around 1.10 billion pounds. The company is actually associated with BW Group, which is a leading maritime company involved in shipping, floating infrastructure, deep water oil and gas production, and new sustainable technologies. And that company was actually founded in 1955 and controls a fleet of over 490 vessels that transport oil and gas and dry commodities with its 200 liquid natural gas and LPG ships, constituting the largest gas fleet in the world.
Recently reported strong time chartered income.
Yeah, for the first quarter ended March 31st, BW LPG reported daily time charter equivalent rates of $61,500 per available day and $59,400 per calendar day. It reported net profit after tax, which is referred to as NPAT, of $150 million and free cash flow of $468.5 million. Now, the company also reported first quarter operating profit of $157.8 million and earnings per share of $1.07. Now, it ended the quarter actually with $661 million in liquidity. That includes $340 million in cash. Now, if you exclude the company's Indian subsidiary, BW LPG is actually like debt-free. Management said in its balance sheet is actually too robust and is finding it tough to find places to invest its money in profitable ways. But I'm pretty sure it eventually will, so keep your eye on the headlines.
Increase its quarterly dividend to $1 per share.
Yeah, returning capital to investors through its reliable dividend is a big part of BW LPG's business plan. Its aim for an annual payout ratio of 50% of NPAT, but that actually could jump to 75 to 100% of NPAT should certain net leverage ratio targets be met. Since its IPO in 2013, it has paid out more than 71% of its earnings as dividends. And in 2023 alone, it actually paid out 98% of earnings as dividends. Those good times have continued in 2024. For the first quarter, it declared a dividend of $1 per share, or $4 on an annual basis, for a current yield of 18.2%. Payout also represents a 5.2 increase over the 95 cents per share paid out over the same period last year.
And BWLP stock is doing well, up 56% in 2024.
Yeah, BWLP stock has only, again, begun trading in the U.S. in April, but it's been on the Oslo Stock Exchange since 2013. So there's a bit of history we can look at to determine how the company's stock has been performing. And by every metric, kicking the broader market. As of this recording, BWLP stock is up 44% over the last month alone, 99% over the last 3 months, 56% year to date, and 205% over the last 12 months. Now, Wall Street isn't actually following BW LPG right now, but chances are good some analysts will pick up the gauntlet with growth expected in both LPG exports and imports. From 2018 through 2025, North American LPG VLGC exports are projected to expand at a compound annual growth rate of 12%. Exports to Middle East are forecast to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 3%, while China LPG imports are projected to climb at a compound annual growth rate of 12%. So additional quarters of strong earnings should help BWLP stock hit fresh highs. We'll see.
Thanks, John. BW LPG Ltd might be a new to New York Stock Exchange, but it's been publicly traded company since 2013. And over the year, it has proven itself to be one of the best marine shipping stocks in its field. The world's leading owner and operator of VLGC vessels, BW LPG kicked off 2024 with solid first quarter financial results with net profits of $150 million. This enabled the company to announce above consensus dividend of $1 per share and reflect company's commitment to creating and returning value to its shareholders. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.